Right. Now, instead of this being a how-to of the day, we're going to call this one disaster of the day. Now, this nonsense is made from Chinesium. It's super sticky, but it's not meant to melt onto your windscreen. And the problem with this nonsense is that if you complain to the person that sold it, they will tell you that you're not meant to leave it stuck to your windscreen in direct sun. What are you meant to do? You're meant to remove it every time you use it. What a load of shit that is. Right, now enough of my rant. I've got to figure a way out to clean this nonsense. Right, what I'm doing here is I just got a rag and I'm sticking it to this super sticky rubbish so that, one, I don't get it absolutely everywhere, and two, I can't think of any other way to deal with this but to scrape it off with a razor blade in hopes that I will remove all of this shit. All right, let's give that a shot. Concept is good. Yep, I'm liking it. We're keeping it contained on the rag, and then once we get majority of this off, we will further wipe it clean with some wax and grease remover. Oh my god, what a absolute rubbish. This is unbelievable. Right. Okay, so far so good. Now, okay, what I'm going to use here is wax and grease remover, as the tin says. Unfortunately, the labelling has somewhat come off, but what you can't see there is it says prep wash wax and grease remover. You can see that. So if you want to use the same, that's what it is. And we're going to put a bit on the rag and wipe it, and hopefully it'll remove all the sticky residue that's left on the windscreen. Okay, the glue seems to be quite stubborn. I had to get another rag just to try and collect all of this sticky nonsense. I suppose shouldn't call it a glue because it's technically not a glue. That was the sticky pad of the phone holder that has melted into a sticky goo. So what do you call it? What is it? Nobody knows, except that it's made from Chinesium. And it's proving to be quite a nightmare to clean. Look at it, it just keeps smudging. Arrgh! I think I'm going to leave it at that. It's most of the glue's gone. I can't really see any, but I suppose it'll be noticeable next time the windscreen fogs up. So maybe we might need to do a little bit more cleaning, but overall I think I got most of it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.